How to fold the double pocket napkin. Take your napkin and fold it in half. Fold the bottom edge up and bring it to the top. Rotate that 180 degrees. Flip it over. Bring the upper right hand corner down to the middle. Repeat that with the upper left hand corner. Now you're going to fold both the left and the right side in towards the middle again, as though you were building a paper airplane or something. And once you're done with that, you can rotate that up and add your silverware. There is the double pocket napkin. Thank you.